The first Martian citizen will not be an alien. The first true Martian will be a human baby. Welcome to the most dangerous laboratory in the universe. Humanity is preparing to give birth on a desert. Mars colonization is no longer just a distant dream. Red dust storms howl outside the pressurized titanium domes. Inside, a tiny life begins in a sterile room. This child will never know the blue Earth sky. Gravity on Mars is only 1/3 of Earth. This biological experiment will change our species forever today. A pregnant woman on Mars faces extreme cosmic radiation. Deep space rays can damage developing fragile human DNA. The protective magnetic field of Earth is far away. Scientists must build thick lead walls for the nursery. Lower gravity affects how bones and muscles grow now. Will a Martian baby ever be able to walk? Earth's heavy pull might crush their weak, elongated spines. Evolution is starting a new chapter in the red. The first footsteps will be light and very bouncy. Natural birth in a vacuum is a scientific mystery. Doctors are developing advanced synthetic pods for infant safety. Fluid-filled bags mimic the natural warm mother's womb. These high-tech chambers protect against solar flare spikes. Sensors monitor every heartbeat of the tiny Martian pioneer. Artificial gravity wheels spin to strengthen the small heart. Nutrients are recycled from the hydroponic green garden nearby. Every breath is filtered through a complex oxygen scrubber. Life is fragile when held by a silicon computer. The nursery is a fortress against the freezing exterior. One power failure could end the future of Mars. This child will learn physics by jumping very high. History books will describe Earth as the ancient cradle. Green trees and blue oceans will be digital myths. Classrooms are tunnels bored deep into the volcanic rock. Playtime happens in massive airlocked gyms with giant balls. The Martian language will evolve with new technical slang. Children will grow up seeing two small fast moons. Their eyes might adapt to the dim red light. Earth is just a bright dot in the sky. Home is a series of interconnected metal tubes now. Did this baby choose to live on a wasteland? The right to breathe is controlled by a corporation. Martian citizens are legally owned by the space colony. Private companies might dictate the fate of the child. Can a Martian ever visit the home of ancestors? The return trip to Earth could be fatal physically. Their lungs might fail in the thick, heavy atmosphere. A new class of humans is being born today. The divide between planets will become a political war. Independence is inevitable when the distance is so vast. After 3 generations, the Martian look will be different. Tall, thin frames and pale skin will be common. Large pupils will drink in the faint, distant sunlight. Their immune systems will never meet an Earth virus. A simple cold from Earth could kill a colony. We are witnessing the birth of Homo Martis now. The red planet is sculpting a new human form. Genetics are shifting to survive the harsh Martian winter. The heart will pump differently in the light gravity. Nature always finds a way to adapt to stress. Agriculture is the heartbeat of the entire red colony. Toddlers will help harvest potatoes in the mist rooms. Water is mined from the frozen North Pole ice. The first Martian baby will drink ancient melted glaciers. Every calorie is tracked by a central AI brain. Waste is never thrown away in the closed loop. The smell of damp earth is a rare luxury. Living in a bubble creates a deep psychological bond. The community is a single organism fighting for air. Survival is the only religion on the red frontier. Candles cannot burn in a high oxygen pressurized room. A digital cake glows on the 3D holographic table. The child looks through the thick quartz glass window. Outside, a massive dust storm covers the entire planet. They feel safe behind the heavy reinforced steel doors. The first word spoken is not mama or papa. The first word spoken on Mars is finally home. A million miles away, Earth watches on a screen. The blue marble is beautiful but no longer theirs. The red desert is where their heart truly beats. The first baby is just the beginning of expansion. Millions will follow into the dark, cold, starry void. We are no longer a single planet-dwelling species. The stars are getting closer with every new birth. Mars is the stepping stone to the outer rim. The red planet is a cradle for the gods. Our children will sail across the sea of stars. The human story is written in the Martian dust. The future is red and it is breathing now. Welcome to the first day of the Martian era.